London Heathrow Airport, UK. This is Terminal 2 and 3. Within the airport, there are plenty of maps and signs. From the ground floor, you can check in, then take the escalator up and go through security. This airport still requires you to remove your liquids. Once you're through, you have to go through duty free, and it's quite long. Eventually, you reach the middle section where there's a big waiting room. In this airport, there is free drinking water. Throughout this airport, there are many travelators. They go on for a very long time. They're also very slow, but you can use this all the way to your gates. Once you're at your gate, you can feel relaxed and wait for your flight. On the way back, when you're flying in, you can collect your baggage from the baggage claim. Transportation at this airport is fantastic. You can take the Heathrow Express into the centre for more expensive, or take the underground into the centre for cheaper, also free underground to Terminal 4 and 5, or you can take the coach. The coach is the cheapest option, and this can go to anywhere else in the UK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!